Welcome everybody to Handson with JotaonCode. So let's take a look into the library Express. So we're going to make here a very small example of an Express application, not more than 2 minutes, 3 minutes. We are going to take a look into how much time it will take. Not long for sure. So let's go for it. I'm going to open here the sample Express. I'm going to make an init of the package JSON. We can see that's everything that we have there. We're going to install the library Express and we're going to save it as a dependency of the package JSON. So let's open also the Visual Studio Code. There we are. We're going to create a file here. This file is going to be index.js. We're going to, here is the, we can see here. That we have the Express as a dependency. So let's require it. Let's create an application of Express. Let's make a get. One. So there we are. And there it is. Slash. So we go to the get. And this is going to have a request, a response, and the next, right? But we are going to use these two, the request and the response. We're going to say response.send hello world. So this is the very first usage of this library, which is defining different endpoints and handling the request and the response, right? So now we're going to say to the application that we listen to the port 3000. It's a 0 there. There it is. Let's go for it. Is everything right? World. Let's go for it. So listen to the port 3000. Okay. Localhost 3000. Okay, that's good. Now let's create our first middleware. So one of the things that you can use with Express is middlewares. And this is going to be our first creation of a middleware. So we're going to call it middleware log query. Let's log the query. And we say request, response, and then you have 3 things for any kind of middleware: request, response, and next. At the end, we're going to call the next because we want to go to the next layer. So you can see that. Let's make a console log, as we say there, of the request.query. Perfect. So now we need to implement this middleware. We're going to implement it here. Just right after this one, this get. So let's go for it. So here I'm using Node, but you can use something a bit more cool for reloading things, which is nodejs. So this nodejs is going to be working with the restarting of my server. If I save it like this, it makes the restart and makes the listening again there. I reload it and you see that there is nothing here, but if I put here, why not hi there? And you see hi there here. So that's the console log of our query. Now, this is the very first implementation of a middleware with the log query, right? So let's say that we also want to console log request.body. So I save it, it is reloading. And we are going to make a post for this, right? So instead of doing this, we're going to say post. And here we're going to change this hello world for hello post. Okay. We're going to use postman. And we have here a body with this one, with another query, because we have the two things here, right? We have the request, the query, and the body. So let's execute this guy. And it says hello post. There we are, add query, and there is nothing here. So the thing is the following. As you can see, there is no request.body, but for this we can use something different. We can use a middleware, which is going to be the express.json. Time before it was something called body parser, but afterwards it was so much used that they added it again into the express.json, right? So let's execute it again. And there you can see the blink.2. So let's go for another implementation. Let's say that instead of doing this, you want to have it here. And you don't see anything there. So what I wanted to show you this one is that the order of the middlewares that we are going to be defining is going to be important for you, because it is going to be working with this order, right? If you define this afterwards, then it's going to apply for all of the next ones, we can say. All of the next layers that you're going to be working with, right? So that's it for today. We should take a look into the very basic stuff in regards to Express. I hope that you enjoyed. If you like the videos, just give it a like. If you like it, also give it a subscribe. That would be great. So the idea is just to look into different kind of technologies. Right now, I'm looking into Express. Tomorrow, I'm going to be looking into another kind of framework as well, our kind of libraries and frameworks. So enjoy. Have a very good one. Bye bye.